kids, this is Miss Sheila, and we're going to have a lesson on how to wash our hands. Now the first thing you do when you come into your house from outside is you're going to want to go and wash your hands. So we're going to come over here to the sink and you're going to turn the water on and you're going to get your hands wet, good and wet. Okay, so now step one, there's two different kinds of soaps you can use. You can use a soap that's from a pump, or you can use a bar soap. And what I'm going to use today is I'm going to use the soap from the pump. So I'm going to put this one back. So now step two, what we're going to do is we're going to rub the palms of our hands together. So now I have the soap on my wet hands and I'm going to rub the palms of my hands together just like that. All right, and now step three. We're going to go ahead and we're going to turn our hands over and we're going to wash the back sides of our hands. One side, and then we're going to wash the back of this hand. Good job. Okay, now step four. Okay, the next thing, we're going to put our fingers together and we're going to go ahead and we're going to rub fingers or intertwine our fingers like this. Good job, and that's step four. There we go. Now step five, we're going to go ahead and we're going to rub the backs of our fingers together. So I'm going to make kind of a fist and I'm going to rub the fist of my hand on this palm. Then I'm going to make another fist and I'm going to rub it on this palm and I'm really getting my hands clean. Okay, now step six. We're going to go ahead and we're going to grab our thumbs and we're going to clean our thumbs this time. So here I go. I'm going to grab my thumb and I'm just going to pull and twist. Then I'm going to grab my thumb on my other hand and I'm going to pull and I'm going to twist. My hands are getting good and clean. All right, and now step seven. The next time we're going to do our nails. Very important. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to take my hands and I'm going to take my fingernails and I'm going to just rub them into the palm of my hand. And now I'm going to take my other hand and I'm going to rub my nails and I'm going to push them together like this and I'm really cleaning my fingernails good. And now finally our last step, step eight. We're going to go ahead and we're going to rinse and we have to turn the water on. So right now I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to turn the water on and I'm going to rinse the soap off of my hands just like that. Now my hands are all clean. Now I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to take my towel and I'm going to use the towel to turn off the water because my hands are all clean. I can finish drying my hands and I've gone through all those very important steps. So good job, kids, and that's a very, very, very safe way to wash our hands safely during this time while we're not at home or while we're not at school. Okay, clean hands for me and I hope clean hands for you at home. Miss you. Bye.